Hello, there I am going to answer the next questions. Question: how could you tell me a little about yourself? My name is Suri Fernanda Martinez Acosta. I'm currently studying psychology. I work part-time with the ICBF. I have a file administration, técnico and sistemas en técnico. I had carried out projects and communicated for the benefits of people. I have experienced while children. I miss part-time. I like to read the books and crochet. I do words and STEM. Question 12. Do you want to work for this company? I say it as opportunity. I progress in my professional career. I have the right skill. I like the work and team. I learn I the Google. I have learned and committed to work I am in his company. Question 3. The where you are good for the future. My long-term goal is to finish and professional the career and for the field in psychology. I would like to architect the light and company, assuming the responsibilities that are the way to make the board, the content, the work, high time, my day most of every minute to improve and skills. Question 4. The one what are you great strengths and weaknesses? I consider that I am patient the person. It is one of my greatest strengths. The following the time I have characterized myself as the person I am very honest. The when the there is something that I do not understand the why I lay the become as my weaknesses. However, one of my weaknesses is turning the why negative rebellions and you can always about impression my word I lie appearance weakness impression the person. Question 5. Can you tell a bit more about the skills you transfer from your previous line in the work in department area? They insist that you can transfer in this new department of the warning, the word, smoking and efficiency, as well as having a positive attitude the that is purpose and calm, the honesty, dedication, the work, working is SFF, always and better the clone in children, in the bats, harmony, I think they detest, kids you can, and contribute is in team.